In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Shein gift wrap feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Shein application. Then you want to proceed by logging in into your account. Once you simply go ahead and log in into your account, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add anything to your cart. When you simply go ahead and add anything to your cart, what you can do is simply go ahead and head to the checkout tab. So let's just say head to the checkout tab by clicking on checkout here. And you need to go ahead and log in into your account first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. And what this will do is it will ask you for your delivery address. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your shipping address. And at the bottom of the checkout page, you will go ahead and find a gift or gift option. On the order confirmation page, simply go ahead and toggle the checkbox that says gift options or add gift wrap, and then select the gift wrapping service. You may also be able to add a personalized gift message in this step. Keep in mind, Shein typically charges a small fee ranging between $2 to $4 per item depending on the packaging type. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.